The costs of cryptographic forms of money are driven by many elements, including media publicity, reception rate, legitimate, criminal operations, and market interest. This multitude of variables make leading a specialist examination of digital currency urgent in the present market. Brise is another task in the digital money world that has acquired notoriety due to turning into a top player in the industry potential. Is Brise a wise speculation? Does Bitgert have a future? A few examiners are positive about the progress of the Brise token. As a matter of fact, some of them even foresee Bitgert's 200% typical cost increment toward the finish of 2022. Yet, once more, we should keep in mind here the conceivable association between the creators of the scientific report and the ventures makers. We ought to likewise not disregard the hazardous regions that we have proactively referenced previously. Financial backers need to painstakingly gauge these variables prior to choosing whether to put resources into the Brise stock. There's no simple response, and there's no assurance that Brise will be a fruitful interest over the long haul. However, for financial backers who will face some gamble, challenges might offer a valuable chance to benefit in the event that the organization can make something happen from here on out. What number of Bitgert coins are there? The undertaking's self-announced circling supply is 427,350.68 B Brise. What is Bitgert crypto? Brise is a BRC20 symbolic that sudden spikes in demand for the Binance blockchain. Where is Bitgert recorded? In August 2022, the Tasks Administration freely communicated its ability and status to help out Binance by means of Twitter. The dealings cycle has previously begun, and to commend this key achievement, Bitgert has vowed to offer $5 million worth of Brise to the Binance people group in the event of having it recorded on Binance. Bitgert price analysis. According to the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Bitgert is $0.000009 and Brise is as of now positioned 217 in the whole crypto-biological system. The dissemination supply of Bitgert is 395,688,215,721,653 Brise with a market cap of $352,315,371.78. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by $0.00000007 in its ongoing worth. From most recent 7 days the Brise was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 12.81%. Bitgert has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Brise has expanded by 118.95%, adding to the worth an epic typical sum $0.00000011 to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can now turn into a decent resource assuming it keeps on developing. Bitgert price prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Bitgert costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Bitgert will be $0.00000045. The greatest level that the Brise cost can reach is $0.00000050. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.00000047. Brise price forecast for August 2022. In view of the value vacillations of Bitgert toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Brise pace of $0.00000041 in August 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0.00000037 and at $0.00000043, separately. September 2022, Bitgert price forecast. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the Brise cost in September 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.00000041, while the most extreme could reach $0.00000044 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Bitgert may be around $0.00000043. Brise price forecast for October 2022. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value vacillations of Bitgert in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Brise rate they foresee may be around $0.00000044 in October 2022. It can drop to $0.00000042 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.00000046. November 2022, Bitgert price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Brise cost will be exchanged at $0.00000045 overall. November 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Bitgert worth to $0.00000048. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.00000043 in November 2022. Brise price forecast for December 2022. Crypto specialists have broke down Bitgert costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to December 2022, $0.00000047. The most minimal and top Brise rates may be $0.00000045 and $0.00000050. Bitgert price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Bitgert in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Bitgert will be around $0.00000065. The most extreme expected Brise cost might be around $0.00000079. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $0.00000068 in 2023. Bitgert price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Bitgert, in 2024, Brise is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $0.00000093 and $0.00000114, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0.000